Hi, do you hate being in debt and want to pay off your mortgage early? Do you want to save over $100,000 in interest and mortgage insurance? If so, I can help you. I'm Mujiba Salaam Parker, the Empowerment Queen, and I was able to pay off my 30-year mortgage in less than 3 years. This happened after I experienced extreme poverty and was homeless, bankrupt, and on welfare. In my How I Paid Off My 30-Year Mortgage in Less Than 3 Years report, I share step by step details on how I overcame my financial challenges and the 8 steps that you can use to pay off your mortgage fast. In the report, I'll teach you how to access multiple streams of additional income and how to save lots of money so that you can make extra principal only payments on your mortgage. This will dramatically reduce the number of years that you'll pay on the loan, and my process is better and much faster than making biweekly payments. Click on the link below or go to mymortgagepayoff.com to learn more and to get your copy of my new report. For a limited time, you'll also receive my ebook, The Universal Attraction System: How to Easily Attract Your Desires Fast, as well as the companion workbook as free bonuses. The website again is mymortgagepayoff.com.